Guys, welcome back to another interesting video of How to Guide. In our last video, we talked about how to set up a virtual background into our Zoom meeting. So, in this video, I am going to show you how to change your virtual background. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to change your virtual background setup into your Zoom meeting, you just simply have to open your Zoom Workplace application, and into there just simply join a meeting, and after that you just simply have to click into this icon into here and then go to the choose virtual background settings, and into there as you can see I have this background selected. Now in order to change the background I can select all of these options, and after that I can also get so many filters by going into this video filters option, and then just simply select it as like the previous options. And as you can see here, I can also use my avatars, and after successfully selecting a background that you want now, you can apply these settings to all future meetings by ticking this box. By following these very easy steps, you can easily change your virtual background into your Zoom meetings. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.